Hello and welcome to another episode of Craftoria. Um, I made an analog circuit off screen. I quickly put together bits needed for our large steam macerator and set up a thing to process coal dust and flux dust there. And place the steel wire and connected it with a couple things for AE. And also expanded this a little bit. So it was a bit of crafting and a bit of waiting for stuff to craft. Didn't miss much there. Going through modern industrialization, we got a bunch of rubber. That's what this is. The 2 buckets of oil turned into this plus about another stack of rubber, which is fantastic. Required a little bit of doing, but we got there. Close some of this. Okay. Hopefully we don't ever need to make more rubber. We'll see. But we are working towards... I would like to get an assembler up and going. Because it seems really cool and useful, right? This is going to be probably a lot of crafting again. Let's just do it one piece at a time. I need to know how to craft this and this. This, I need to know how to craft tin cable and magnetic steel rod. Wait. It's easy enough. Tin cable. Okay. For that, we need to know how to make tin wire. Great. For that, we need to know how to make tin plates, which is just going to be the compressor. Some tin, right? So compressor, tin plates, wire maker thing for that, and then that is just a crafting recipe. Good. Compressor and wireman. Cool. So now we know all the bits for that. Great. Cool. All right. And now I should be able to request a piston, right? Great. Let's gonna start working on that. Next, just collect all that. Gets me more bronze. Motors, this is gonna be a motor. Quest one of those as well. Piston. Gets me another piston. Great. Motor. That give me another motor. Oh man. Machine holes. Okay. Let's take a look here. We know how to craft all those things. We do not know how to craft this thing. Ooh. Battery alloy. How do I make this? In an alloy smelter. With lead and antimony. Or I can make a battery alloy dust via the mixer. That would require dusting the other 2 bits though. So I think we're going to need an alloy smelter. Can I just make the alloy smelter? Almost. It's fantastic. Dang. Request 100 steel plates, so we always have a bunch. Give. Thank you. Okay. Steel alloy smelter. Quest complete. Oh, hey, look at that. Cool. And sleep. Great. So I'm gonna wanna adjust this some. For now. Is this gonna require steam? Absolutely it will. I could. I kind of want all these to be forward one, is what I was thinking. I'm just gonna lose the lubricant if I move this one, which would be annoying. I'm not gonna do that. Out of range, fair enough. Let's do... Can I just make 10 of these? Fantastic. And so we also already have import buses. Great. Okay. So that's gonna have to... I'll change to edents. That change here. dense cables then. No, do I have exactly enough? Yay! I can't get out of here. Up. What? Dang. I do that. Yay. Okay. So... Hmm. Let's do that for a second. Okay, steam, excellent. And dang. Dang. 5. Okay. So this and I'm gonna have to connect this up here too. Somewhere else on there, right? That is fine. So those are gonna be 10. Yeah. Okay. That's 5. That's 1. Getting awful cabley around here. I did not teach myself the patterns I needed. We want to make battery alloy. Alloy smelter. Right. And then we want to know that, and we want to know how to make that. Okay. Bending, plates, and alloy smelter. So now we can say, I want... I know how to make 10 cables. What do you mean? Now can I say I want redstone battery? Maybe if I teach myself how to make a redstone battery. Smart. Probably teach myself basic machine hole too. Okay. And I say I want this. And that's gonna craft stuff. Start. And we'll just run back over here real quick and double check. Great. Next quest on the line is going to be robotic arms. Okay. I know how to craft all those. Hello. You are not useful to me. I feel like killing them speeds up respawns. In case anybody was curious why I always killed them. That is why. Okay. Let's make a robot arm. Fair enough. Look at all that crafting. Start. Machine hull. Excellent. Contain the main electronics that allow machines to run. There are different tiers to machine hulls. Okay. This is the base of every machine that takes LV power. Perfect. Okay. And then conveyor belts. It's going to be the last piece here. Sleep again. That was a quick day. Robot arm done. Great. And let's request a conveyor belt. That stuff in. Okay. Great. Assembler. Robot arms and analog thing. Make another analog thing and make some more robot arms. Great. Just put my other rubber sheets in there. Okay. And what's this? Steam turbine. Steam turbine. Let's start looking at this. We're gonna need analog circuit. Okay, fair enough. Do I have fluid pipes set up yet? I do. Ah, I need more crafting CPUs. That's fair. Fair enough. Is this the delay? Okay. There's the circuit. That's good. Let's make like 4 of these. Of course, we need more processors. This is something that I've been forgetting to automate. Fair enough, fair enough. Okay. Okay. Crystal assembler is going to be way more worth it. Circuit slicer. Okay. Universal press. Extended machine frame. Huh. That's cool. That's super doable. Intro dust. Requires intro crystals. Get intro crystals via reaction chamber. Right. And now that Avengers assemble. That this gets to be another assembler. So the first machine you'll want to make a lot of. I can set up to 3 recipes in one assembler. Oh. Maybe this doesn't work quite like how I expected. Take a look at the guide. Basically free. What does that mean? We strongly suggest that you automate machine hull, analog circuits, motors, pistons, robot arms, and conveyor belts using assemblers. What do you mean? You still use the resources for it, don't you? Yeah. But maybe not. Do you not use the resources? You must. You must use the resources. It does give me more. from it. Let's take a quick gander here. Okay. Gate. No, that's a shame. What if I had basic energy cube. I'm just testing things. Input, output, no. Okay. Energy. Oops. Okay. So I might actually need to use the energy from this. Yes. Distributor output. Energy upgrade. Okay. Kinda dang. Kinda dang, but also really fair. Oh, that's just a wall. Instead of another exit. I think that'd be fine. Okay. So let's run back here real quick. Real quick. Make another one of those, please. Because I need to make one of these. Tin rotor. Donk, 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 donk. And okay. Oh, I'm out of. I'm out of glowstone. Okay. Well, that's what I'm going to do in between episodes then. I'm going to get more glowstone and do a little bit more crafting, I suppose, then. So that next time we can take a look at the assembler to see what that's about. Is this stuff going to be super duper hard? It is not. This is just going to be... Okay. Electric blast furnace. Which I don't think we're actually going to care about. I think that is correct. I'm going to try to skip the electric blast furnace. I might not be able to. Wait, how do I get chromium dust? Why would I have chromium dust instead of just chromium? How do I get chromium? I don't know. I'm gonna do my best to skip it. Gotta do my absolute best. We might not be able to, though. We're almost to the electric quarry, which is very cool. Excited about that. Did that finish? Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Yeah. So I appreciate you watching. I will go do a bit of stuff off screen and then catch y'all on the next one. Peace for now.